Welcome, automotive enthusiasts, to another episode of The Tire Show. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of vehicular care, exploring the intricate dance between wheel balancing and wheel alignment. Buckle up as we embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries that make your ride not just a mode of transportation, but a symphony of automotive precision. Picture this: you're cruising down the open road, wind in your hair, and the hum of the engine beneath you. But what goes on behind the scenes to make this experience seamless? Enter the dynamic duo of wheel balancing and wheel alignment, the unsung heroes of your vehicle's performance. Every journey begins with the fundamentals, and in the world of automotive maintenance, wheel balancing takes the stage. It's like the prelude to a symphony, setting the tone for a smooth and harmonious ride. Act 1: The Prelude, the basics of wheel balancing. 1. Balancing act with wheel weights. Imagine a tire as a percussion instrument, and each wheel weight is a carefully placed note. Wheel balancing ensures that the rhythm remains steady, preventing vibrations that can disrupt the driving experience. 2. Precision matters, the conductor's baton. Precision is our maestro, orchestrating the perfect balance. Even the slightest imbalance can disrupt the symphony, leading to uneven wear and tear on your tires. Act 2: Precision alignment takes center stage. Camber, toe, caster, the three musketeers of alignment. Now, let's shift our focus to wheel alignment, the act that follows the prelude, where angles become the stars of the show. 1. Camber, the tilt of dramatic effect. Camber sets the stage, determining the tilt of the wheels. It's like the dramatic tilt in a performance, ensuring even tire wear and stability during the straight line act. 2. Toe, the choreography of steering. Toe alignment is the choreography, ensuring that the front of the tires moves in perfect sync. It's the dance that enhances steering response and extends the tire's lifespan. 3. Caster, the forward or backward tilt drama. And then comes the caster, the forward or backward tilt, the drama that adds stability and returnability to the entire production. Act 3. The grand finale, balancing versus alignment showdown. Significance of wheel balancing in the ensemble. Now, let's talk about the showdown, wheel balancing versus wheel alignment. In our symphony, wheel balancing takes a prominent role. 1. Prolonged tire life, the melody of longevity. Balancing contributes to prolonged tire life, creating a melody of longevity by preventing uneven wear patterns. 2. Enhanced driving comfort, the harmonious ride. Imbalanced wheels cause vibrations, disrupting the harmonious ride. Wheel balancing steps in to ensure a smoother and more enjoyable journey. The crucial role of wheel alignment, a performance in precision. But don't let the spotlight linger too long on balancing. Wheel alignment, with its precision and accuracy, demands its time in the limelight. 1. Optimal handling and steering, the ballet of precision. Alignment ensures optimal handling and steering, transforming your vehicle into a ballet of precision, responding accurately to every turn. 2. Fuel efficiency, the fuel-efficient waltz. Misaligned wheels can lead to increased rolling resistance, affecting fuel efficiency. Proper wheel alignment ensures your vehicle performs a fuel-efficient waltz on the roads. Act 4. The ideal scenario, a symphony of maintenance. Synergy in action, a symphony of automotive care. Now, imagine the ideal scenario, a symphony where wheel balancing and wheel alignment play in harmony, complementing each other in the grand performance of automotive maintenance. 1. Sequential maintenance, the crescendo of care. Initiate the maintenance routine with wheel balancing, followed by the precision of wheel alignment. It's the crescendo that ensures a comprehensive approach to tire and vehicle care. 2. Periodic checkups, the ongoing concerto. Regular checkups that incorporate both wheel balancing and wheel alignment can detect issues early on, preventing potential damage and enhancing the overall reliability of your vehicle. As we conclude our automotive symphony, remember that the answer to the wheel balancing versus wheel alignment debate lies in recognizing their symbiotic relationship. It's not about favoring one over the other but embracing the harmony they create for the longevity and well-being of your cherished vehicle. And there you have it, fellow automotive enthusiasts, the symphony of wheel balancing and wheel alignment, ensuring that your journey on the open road remains a masterpiece of precision and care. Until next time, keep driving wisely.